Okay, real quick, I just want to go through some things on formatting when you're doing discussion questions, because a lot of times they'll ask you to use math type in order to do it, and I read some of them. If at this point you want to go back and edit, because I hadn't done this, feel free, but I just want to go through something that will have a negative impact on your grade if you don't include it. So when you're going to the discussion, share my screen. Okay, so when you're going to the discussion, all right, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite fractions, which is 2 over 7, just so we can get an idea of how to use it. When you do enter 2 out of 7, all right, it's asking you to use, if you notice in the module, in the rubric, right here, ideas are clearly stated, include the use of the equation editor for mathematical symbols and notation. All right. So if I want to enter 2/7, we would like you to enter it as a fraction rather than just that. I understand what you're saying, but it's one of those things to get you accustomed to using it. So this little square root symbol, so here's a cloud, which has embed. The little square root symbol is a math equation. It's the equation editor. So you click that, and that enables you to, you can see all the types. So this is subscripts. This is exponents if you need to use an exponent. This is the one we're going to use today, fractions. So I enter that. All right, I start with my numerator, which is 2, my denominator, which is 7. Done. And boom, there she is, 2/7. All right. Basically, everything you'll need to know is on here generally. All right. So there's letters if we need them for variables later. All right. Operators, I don't know if we're going to involve that. Relationships, less than and greater than. Congruent, if you use that later on, not equal to, all these. All right, so you'll see all the symbols. For the most part, all right, you're going to be focusing on exponents and fractions and roots. All right, so make sure you're using those when doing it in order to get full credit on these discussion questions. All right, I hope this helps for people in the future. Again, if you want to go back and edit and resubmit, you're more than welcome to do that. All right, if you want to add it as a note on the aftermath to make sure you've run, and I'll go back and I'll understand what you're talking about. But I do hope this helps. Take care. All right, and stay healthy.